Milo, Tia, Pip, our next adventure is about the sun.
Lumi, the sun is way out in space.
Pip,
let's go and observe it. Tia, the sun is getting bigger. Pip, it is an enormous glowing star. Lumi, it's so bright.
Milo, Tia, Pip, this is our amazing sun.
Lumi,
It gives us so much light. Pip, I can't wait to learn how it helps Earth.
Milo, the sun sends light and heat through space.
Tia, can we really feel its warmth from Earth?
Pip, yes, the sun gives Earth heat and light.
Lumi, the sunlight travels all the way to Earth. Tia, that's right. Sunlight travels through space to our planet.
Pip, that light helps make our world bright.
Tia, sunlight lights the side of Earth facing the sun.
Milo, that's why sunlight is so important to our day. Lumi, the sun helps make our world bright.
Milo, plants need sunlight to grow. Tia, the little plant is using the sun's light.
Pip, sunlight helps plants make their food. Lumi, sunlight also helps keep Earth warm.
Pip, yes. The sun gives our planet important heat.
Milo, Earth needs the sun.
Milo, sunlight gives plants the energy they need to grow. Plants help provide food for living things.
Pip, that's one reason the sun is so important to life on Earth.
Milo, do you know what the sun really is?
Tia, is the sun a giant planet? Pip, no. The sun is actually a star.
Lumi, the sun looks much bigger than those stars. Tia, that's because the sun is much closer to Earth.
Pip, the other stars are very far away. Lumi, the sun is at the center of our solar system.
Pip, the planets travel around the sun.
Milo, so the sun is our solar system's star.
Milo, the sun releases a huge amount of energy.
Tia, some of that energy travels toward Earth. Pip, we receive sunlight and warmth from it.
Pip, never stare directly at the sun.
Milo, we should look safely.
Lumi, our special screen lets us observe it safely.
Lumi, scientists can study the sun from special instruments. Pip, science helps us understand the sun safely. Milo, the sun is very, very far from Earth.
Tia, that distance looks enormous. Pip, space has some incredibly large distances.
Lumi, Earth stays far away while it travels around the sun.
Pip, Earth receives sunlight and warmth.
Milo, so we can enjoy the sun from a safe distance.
Lumi, Earth is waiting for us. Milo, our sun adventure is almost complete. Tia, let's head home and share what we learned.
Lumi, Earth looks beautiful from space.
Pip, our sun gives this wonderful planet light and warmth.
Milo, I'm happy to be home.
Milo, what did we discover about our sun? Tia, the sun is a star that gives Earth light and heat. Pip, and Earth travels around our amazing sun.
Lumi, I loved learning about the sun.
Milo, Tia, Pip, keep learning, keep wondering, and keep shining. Tia, let's discover something new next time.